cookie? Who wants a cookie? Oh, still? It's a bird. Pink stuff. Oh, cookie. Who wants a treat? Oh, training time! Training time! Okay, come on, brother and sister. Hi, Ellie. Let me get a big shot of you there. Oh, such a big girl. Look at you. Oh, yummy, pretty girl. And there's your brother. Oh, good sit. You said, where is my treat? I want one, Mama. You promised me one. Yes, right, Kirby? Okay, let's go get one. Here's my baby. Here's my baby. Here's my baby girl. What's that? These two have the same papa. Like said, you teased me. You said we were going to get a treat. Now I have to resort to eating crappy wood again. Okay, watch this. Ellie! Ellie! Can you sit? Ellie! Ellie, training time! Training time! Training time! Training time! Okay, this time I mean it. Come on. Come on, you two. Come on, you two. Let's get some training in, shall we? Little bit? Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, good sit, yes. Let's just get a little bit. Okay. Might run out of batteries. But let's see. Oh, you guys are moving so fast. For training time. Training time, training time. Okay, hello class. How are you today? Back, back, back. Thank you very much. Kirby. Okay, may I please see a down? Good down, good down. Oh, yes, we know down. Good down, Kirby. Oh, I did not say get up, did I? Ellie, can I get a shake? Can I get a shake? Good shake. That's a good shake. Good girl. These cookies are hard. Kirby, sit. Good sit. Ellie, scoot back. Can I get a stand? Can I get a spin? Good spin. Good girl. Good spin, Kirby. Okay. Battery's almost done. Stay. 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 That's my girl.